This is Tanya from Barbie Gets Real, and this is my daughter-in-law, Katie.
Hello.
And Katie's a hairstylist, so I thought while she was here, I would try to have her help me with my Barbies that needed hairstyling. So here we go. This, like this, I found it at the swap meet, and the box was already torn, but we're gonna unbox her the rest of the way.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Alrighty. So this is Sew in Style, Grace and Courtney, BB by Barbie, Rock the Runway. Ooh. Gonna be rocking the runway, Courtney and Grace.
Oh
Here
man.
they are. Lots of fun hair pieces here. There you go.
Oh. Be free, Barbies. Be free.
Free the Barbies.
Free the
This little
Barbies.
girl is so cute. Look at her little outfit.
Oh, she is cute. Does she have sparkles on her face?
Looks
She's
like
so
that.
cute. Oh, I thought I got it. Oh, her leg is trapped. Okay.
Free.
She's trapped here.
You're almost free.
That's good. She's already got some pink in her hair.
I need some pink in your hair is pink. And I don't have any pink in my hair. What's up
Come
with
on,
that?
Grandma Barbie, get programmed.
I need pink in my hair.
Okay, she's got plastic attached to her hair.
Uh-oh.
Okay, there we go.
Oh, I see. They're rocking the runway. They've got little lights here so they can be models.
Woo. Cute outfit. She's got some glitter eyeshadow going on. So that's what you need when you rock the runway.
Yeah, glitter eyeshadow for rocking the runway.
Okay, what else is in here?
Not sure I ever had glitter eyeshadow. I'm beginning to feel a little left out.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
I was gonna say,
I got a photograph of me in glitter.
you were modeling
Yes,
late
I have
70s.
glitter. I have glitter.
Okay, ooh, we've got some, what is this? Some products in here for their hair. Little tiny baby Barbie products. Hair bows. What else? Little clip extensions. Oops. There's that. We even have some scissors. Should have cut those out first. They could have helped me undo this stuff.
Definitely need scissors.
Hairbrush. What else do we got here? Brush your hair out, Grandma. Okay, Smooth Sheen Olive Oil Aloe Vitamin E. So cute.
We know I like little realistic miniatures, so this is just perfect for me.
Well, wow. She's getting into this. I love it. And come on. I don't want to cut the hair on accident. Okay. Got them all out.
I'm ready.
Looking fabulous.
right.
You are ready for the
All right,
runway.
I'm ready for the runway.
Okay, so who gets what?
I don't know. Were there instructions? Oh.
It's pictures. I guess there's different ways.
4 fun pieces. Both of them can do this.
Okay, maybe we should try that
And
first.
then this. Oh, on top of her head.
Okay.
And then the little bow on the little girl.
Well, these are easy because they're just
the
little,
bow on the little girl. They
they're
clip
just
on.
little combs and
Oh, that's smart.
yeah, these are easy. Okay. Maybe we should see if this can go on top of her ponytail. In here.
That's cute.
Perhaps. Her hair is too thick.
You know, Katie, are you sure you're a hairstylist?
I'm not sure. Sometime I'm not a Barbie hairstylist. Maybe that's the problem. I never worked on tiny heads like this before.
There's the first time for everything.
There we go. There we go. Girl's got some curls now. All right. That's looking good.
Oh, I like that. It's like a Tyra Banks hairstyle, right?
It is.
Very pretty.
What else should we do? I wonder if we should.
Very pretty.
Should we add a braid to the side? A little twisty braid? Or should we put this
That one
underneath?
photograph that has that underneath.
try that.
I'll hold this.
Okay.
I've got to be good for something. Hair holding.
Okay. If these clips will go in, I thought they'd be relatively easy.
Do you think there's two different pieces there, or is it all one clip?
It seems to be all one. Oh, come on.
Might I take a moment to say that Katie does excellent wedding hair and prom hair. I've seen her hairstyles, so this is just a bit of a challenge.
Okay, there we go. Now she's got some yellow hair on the bottom.
Okay. Put it around here. She's.
That is a very interesting hairstyle.
You think?
She's looking good.
Courtney and Grace. So this is the little girl's Courtney, and then this is Grace.
Yeah.
Hurry up, hurry up. We're late. Does that go in? Well, they're as ready for the runway as we're gonna get them, apparently.
Okay, maybe I should try to do it like this without that piece coming in. There we go. She is ready.
All right, we have the girls ready. I need some music.
Oh man, I like the bow on her. It's cute.
All right, Katie, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Did a fabulous job here.